Alright, time's up. Let's do Leroy Jenkins. And Dumbledore. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cool airplane. And it starts with a little magic. And this is how we do it. You want to take this. And you want to follow it perfect. 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 See that? Ooh. Then take this, the opening, the other side, and you fold it to the very top. You might want to hold it so this doesn't move, but you'll fold it to the top, like that. You can probably crease it with your fingernails or something, and it shouldn't end up like this. Then, when you have it like this, you take it, you fold, not the opening, this side, and fold it, and you want to have a good point. And this could and will probably poke your eye out. And see, it's like this. And see how I fold, yeah. Alright, then crease it. Then you take it and you keep on folding it. And keep on. And see how it doesn't look like an airplane right now. Then you take this right here. And there should be a thing right there. A little pocket, and you shove it in the little pocket. Yeah. Alright, then you will end up like that. See, pointy tip. Then what you want to do, take the side that has the thing put in it. Then you fold it like that, and you crease it. See, it's like that. Fold it, and you probably be thinking right now, how is this airplane? Well, you hold it like this, not squeezing it.
And fold it upside down, not like a regular paper airplane.
And then
let's see how it flies.
Throw it.
No, you might want to do that again. So just get one more. This is how many we've made. They're very quick and easy. Okay, 1 second. I don't know if you saw that, but it went all the way down there. And it's literally like an arrow. So please like and subscribe.
The dog is apparently liking these because they're very good.
So
to end the video, we like to say a very important message.
1, 2, 3, 4.